Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get mints in Pokémon Brick Bronze. Mints are incredibly useful items that allow you to change your Pokémon's nature, which directly impacts their stats. This is essential for competitive play and making your Pokémon as strong as possible. We will cover where to find them, how they work, and the best strategies for collecting many of them. Let's dive into how you can start enhancing your Pokémon today. Mints are primarily found in small bushes scattered throughout nearly all areas of the game. You will know a bush contains a mint if it sparkles. There's about a 1 in 75 chance for a mint to appear in any given bush. For efficient farming, focus on areas like Enfian City Park District or Grove of Dreams, as each has 4 potential mint bushes. After collecting any available mints, simply leave and rejoin the game or route to reset the bushes and try again. Mints are powerful because they modify how a Pokémon's stats grow, aligning them with a chosen nature. For instance, using a modest mint will make your Pokémon's special attack stat grow faster while its attack stat grows slower. It's important to note that while the stat effects change, the Pokémon's actual nature, as seen in its summary, does not. This distinction is key for certain game mechanics, but for battle performance, mints provide full stat customization. To make the most of mints, focus your farming efforts on high-density areas like Enfian City Park District. The trick is to repeatedly leave and rejoin the game or route, which refreshes the mint bushes, giving you more opportunities to find them. When using mints, always consider your Pokémon's role in battle. A physical attacker might benefit from an adamant mint, while a special attacker could use a modest mint. Strategic use of mints can significantly enhance your team's performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.